Did you know that just one can of soda can spike your blood sugar so much that it's like your body is trying to fight off an infection? Soda is a daily habit for many of us, but have you ever stopped to think about what it does to your blood sugar levels? Let's dive into the world of glucose and insulin to understand the impact of your favorite fizzy drink. Blood sugar, or glucose, is a type of sugar that serves as a primary source of energy for your body's cells. Under normal circumstances, your body regulates blood sugar levels through a delicate balance of insulin and glucagon. Insulin helps cells absorb glucose, while glucagon triggers the release of stored glucose into the bloodstream. This intricate dance keeps your blood sugar levels within a healthy range. When you drink soda, the body experiences a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. This happens because soda contains high amounts of simple sugars like sucrose and fructose, which are quickly broken down into glucose during digestion. As the glucose hits your bloodstream, your pancreas releases insulin to help cells absorb the sugar. The insulin response is crucial in managing the sudden influx of glucose. However, the amount of insulin released may not always match the amount of glucose in your bloodstream. When this happens, your blood sugar levels can surge, causing a range of symptoms, from mild discomfort to serious health complications. In the hours following soda consumption, your body continues to work hard to regulate blood sugar levels. If you consume soda regularly, your body may become less responsive to insulin, leading to insulin resistance. This condition can have serious health implications, including an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Insulin resistance is a precursor to type 2 diabetes, a condition characterized by high blood sugar levels and impaired insulin function. Regularly consuming soda can also lead to other health problems, such as obesity, heart disease, and tooth decay. The American Heart Association recommends that women consume no more than 25 grams of added sugars per day, while men should limit their intake to no more than 36 grams per day. The statistics are alarming. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, millions of people have diabetes, and many more are at risk of developing the condition. A significant contributor to this trend is the high sugar content in many processed foods and beverages, including soda. In conclusion, daily soda consumption can have a profound impact on your blood sugar levels and overall health. By being mindful of your sugar intake and making informed choices, you can reduce your risk of developing insulin resistance, type 2 diabetes, and other health complications. If you've struggled with soda addiction or have concerns about your sugar intake, share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related content, and check out our video on healthier beverage alternatives to help you make the switch.